Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can unlock the advanced BIOS on your HP laptop. Now the first thing that you want to do is to simply restart your device, which will then look something like this. And from here you then want to try two different options. The first one is by pressing F9 on your keyboard. So you just want to press F9 while your computer is booting up. And basically from there, it will then enter the advanced BIOS for your laptop. If that didn't work, restart your laptop once again. And then now you want to try F10. And basically it will then take you to this similar page right here where you will be able to see the advanced options. If not, the last thing that we can go ahead and do is to restart it once more. And basically from there, you then want to change this to instead of an F10. And basically from there, it will then enter us on our advanced options. Now, this is the updated way, but if you have an older model, the F9 or F10 method will probably work more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.